How to change font in Learn JavaScript. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make changes in the font. First of all, open the application. So this is the Learn JavaScript application. Now on the top, you'll be able to see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So this is the settings interface. Here on the bottom, you'll be able to see the option called editor font size. So you can select any one of it. Here it's automatically selected to medium, but you can change into large, extra large or small. So here I'm tapping on one, and if you go back and refresh the application, it will be changed. Here it will be changed with the lesson sections too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.